airport to make it to Vietnam. We have the owner there. We have the owner driving. That is customer service. You hear me? This is an awesome vehicle. If you're ever in Delaware, this is the company that you go with, Limousine Unlimited. If you're ever in Delaware, Limousine Unlimited. We're getting ready to go to Halong Bay. We're here in Halong Bay, Vietnam.
Free Wi-Fi and free water for you. Enjoy. From here to Halong Bay, 2 hours 30 minutes. We stop 1 point to toilet. Enjoy your trip. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you next time. See you soon.
So they're putting stuff in the oyster so to make the pearl. What is wrong? Come on, come touch it. Come on, come on. You can't take it, you can touch it. Go ahead, you can touch it, look. Don't cry, you can touch it. Look at this big one.
They feel different, right?
Look at this big one here. Come feel this one, let me feel this one. Go ahead.
How does it feel?
How does it feel? Tell me how it feels. I don't understand that. I don't understand sign language. We're Quadsquadabroad. For those of you who know us, you know this is not us. This is not what we do. The internet in our face on the internet. So you know we have to be doing something epic for us to be blowing this up out there in the web and want everybody in the world to see what we're doing. So, what are we doing, Alicia?
We are traveling Southeast Asia with our kids. Very bold, very bold.
So we're here in Halong Bay and Vietnam. It's about 300 miles south. It's a bay that's about 300 miles south of China, and it's one of the 7 wonders of the world. Right behind us, you'll see later. It's beautiful mountains, beautiful sunset that's getting ready to go down right now. And as Alicia said earlier, we're going to be traveling Southeast Asia for the next year with Yasmin and Leia. People think that we're crazy. People think that it's cool. And people ask us, why are you doing it? We're doing it because
we want to. That's it.
So,
other reason.
No other reason.
Yeah. I'm excited.
I'm excited too, baby. I'm excited. Dude, we love our life. We love it, you know, and you know, everything that we do is because we're bold enough to step out and do it. And what we're trying to do is to show black people in particular, that you can travel. And not only can you travel, but you can travel with your kids.
And I'm excited about the unlimited possibilities and introducing our kids to the world and allowing them to see more than what they see at home. This is just amazing opportunity.
Amazing opportunity. We're here, we're on President's Cruise in Halong Bay. If you ever get a chance to get to Vietnam, make sure you check them out. They really set us up really nice. We're here we're on the President's Cruise in the Presidential Suite. This is Quadsquadabroad, Halong Bay, Presidential Cruise in the Presidential Suite. Look at this, yo. Carnival cruise, any cruise line you've ever been on, it's nothing compared to this. Look at this, guys. Got living room, dining room, we got tub in the room, guys. Come on, Carnival, put your game up, get your game up. It's going down on this bed right here. Yeah, we'll have that. Especially on Chinese. Yeah, whatever. They're looking at us like we're crazy. That's why they're downstairs. Y'all ain't seen nothing yet. Go open the door. Hold on, baby. I got you. I got you. It's already unlocked. It's already unlocked. Go sit down on it. Look, this is our own private balcony. Own private balcony. It's gonna be some good drone footage coming from here, guys. People gonna be looking down here like, how do you get down there? How do you get down there?
Oh, that's my neighbor Roger. Roger.
Do it. That's Marty. That's Marty. That's Marty. That's Marty. That's Marty.
Look at this, yo. Halong Bay. Halong Bay. Halong Bay. Halong Bay.
Oh, you can't go back to the boat. You gotta stay here.
Halong Bay.
You see that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my neighbor Roger. That's my neighbor Roger.